Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha. I hope you all are doing well. If you follow me already, you would know that this is a continuation. This is a part 2 of my Costco haul. हम लोग कॉस्को गए थे जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था और जैसे कि आपने देखा। मैं एग्जैक्टली वहाँ पे फिल्म नहीं कर पाई कि हमने क्या क्या लिया, नहीं तो ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाता। आई क्विकली शो यू व्हाट ऑल वी गॉट। क्विक नहीं हो सकता, बहुत सारा सामान है, पर आई शो यू वन बाय वन। सो वो रहा मेरा दोस्त, मेरा शॉपिंग कार्ट। उसमें जो चीज़ें हैं पहले मैं आपको वो दिखाती हूँ। अगर आप मेरा वीडियो पहले से देख रहे हैं तो आपको पता ही है कि कॉस्को मेरा फेवरेट स्टोर है। और आज जो हमने शॉपिंग किया है उसमें से बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमको ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 9 months वी कैन यूज़ दैम, और वो ख़त्म नहीं होती बिकॉज वी आर जस्ट अ फैमिली ऑफ 2। आई डोंट काउंट रियान, शी इज़ जस्ट 3 years old, ही barely eats anything. So let's start with this. So I got these mini bell peppers. So I really like them. And what I'm going to do is, while I'm showing you things side by side, I'm going to keep them inside the fridge as well. So I got these mini peppers. I got this extra virgin olive oil. I think this was for $13.99 for 2 liters. I use this only while I'm cooking a specific kind of food, especially like pasta or anything like that. So I got this. Then Piyush wanted to get peanut butter, so we got crunchy peanut butter. So I have the bill here. The bill was huge, and ta-da! So बहुत ज़्यादा बिल हो गया आज. But the thing is कि it not only includes stuff like grocery, but इसमें और भी चीज़ें added हैं जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. So this peanut butter, guys, I don't find this peanut butter in the list. I think they missed it. दिखा नहीं रहा है इसमें कहीं पे भी. So anyways, I'll have to see क्या है उसका. I think it was for around 20. No, I don't think it was 20. तो जो भी है ठीक है. अब ये गिर रहा है तो मैं आपको सबसे पहले ये दिखा देती हूँ. ये जो हमने थोक के भाव में बंस लाए हैं, these are actually for Piyush because his office is no more work from home. He'll be traveling, and I feel that to reach on time he'll have to leave quite early in the morning. So I plan on giving him his lunch and breakfast along with it and a snack. So I think this, he said that he would like this as a snack. So ये मैं उनको दूंगी साथ में with peanut butter or normal butter or whatever. I'll have to check कि क्या करना है, but I'll be giving him this. So ये एक लेके आया है. और apart from groceries that I was telling you guys, we got this. It's a lunch bag. मैं आपको एक और चीज़ दिखाना चाहती हूँ. I'm pretty excited about that. I want to show you. So the other thing that I wanted to show you was this. This is a lunch bag too for Piyush. I'm gonna show you in a bit. I love this. The reason why I love it is because it has 2 compartments. Okay, one is this. ये boxes इसके साथ नहीं मिले थे, मैंने लेके आया. They come in a set of 3 like this. It was for some $3 or $4 में 3 डब्बास. So I got this. Okay. Apart from that, hello. कोई नहीं. So this is the second compartment. Or I got the lunch box separate. It comes with an ice pack just in case you want to keep the food cold, if you want to take salads or anything. And it includes this. This is from Rubbermaid. It came in a pack of 4. One was this, the other one was this, and then there are 2 small containers. You can use them for sauce or anything. These are leak proof. तो ये मैंने पहले लिया था. I got this from Walmart. एंड आज जब हम लोग गए थे कॉस्को तो वो जो मैंने आपको अभी दिखाया, पीयूष को वो बहुत अच्छा लगा. He said that I want something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna open this and see क्योंकि it says that the boxes are included in it. Yeah, this was for 15.89. Okay, so it has one compartment which is this. It's an insulated box. I really like it. Or the other one is this, which is the main compartment, and I don't know what is this, which I can check later. So it has a small pocket where you can keep your like cutlery, which could be your fork or spoons. It comes with this lunch box. It is from Roots as well, and it's leak proof. Yes. And it has another two small boxes inside it. It comes with an ice pack also, so which is good. And it also comes with a bag. It's like a pouch. I'll show you. So if you can see this, I'm not sure, look at this. So this thing, it's just like normal plastic. It can be separated. I think you can put the ice underneath it, and on top of that you can keep your lunch boxes. I don't know. So this we got. तो वो हो गया मेरा Roots का bag. फिर I got these. These are everything bagel. Then we got toothpaste. Of course, Costco is a wholesale thing, so you get so many. I got these two. You can call them as, I don't know, thermos or something from Contigo. And I got some socks. These are 6 pairs of socks from Roots. And I think they were for 15.99. Then I got these beads. These are scent boosters, so you can use this, while you're washing your clothes. Put a cap full and your clothes will smell really nice. I got a big pack of cheddar cheese, a cooking oil spray, 2 of these. These are herb blends. This is garlic plus dryer sheets, laundry detergent from Kirkland, marinated chicken legs, another big pack of chicken breast with pepper and garlic seasoning, chicken thighs. These are skinless, boneless chicken thighs. This is almost 2 kgs for $23.68. Jumbo pack of coconut oil. This was for $21, Piyush?
26.
26? $26 for this coconut oil. ये है 2.3 kgs. विंटर्स आ रहे हैं, कोकोनट ऑयल बहुत यूज़ होगा, स्पेशली रियांश के लिए, तो ये मैंने लेके आया है. Hi guys, I had to include this clip to say sorry because मैं अभी अपना वीडियो एडिट कर रही थी and I realized actually my camera had died. There were no batteries. My fault. I did not recharge them, so I was recording with phone and I didn't realize कि अगर मैं आपको ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ तो वो उसको सीधा नहीं पड़ेगा, वो उल्टा पड़ रहा है. So I'm sorry about that. I hope you will understand. I love you guys. I got some pasta sauce. Ta-da! This is tomato and basil. और एक ये मैंने लाया है. This is Alfredo sauce. Chocolate chips, Belgian chocolate. Costco है. So I wanted to get these muffins. We got that and the lady said you have to take one more because that's the offer. So एक के साथ एक है. So we had to get these also. Those were chocolate chip banana muffins. This is blueberry muffin. The other thing is pasta. My son loves pasta and this time, last time मैंने जो मंगाया था वो organic था and this time I just got the normal pasta. Look at this. Woo. It's a huge bag of pasta. तो इसमें बहुत टाइप के अलग अलग टाइप के पास्ताज हैं. I got mushrooms, a pack of organic spinach, frozen peas. We got this big bag of garlic bread, this bag of frozen vegetables, a bag of lime, another bag of bell peppers, almond milk. That's all was for most of the edible stuff. Apart from this, I got a few pair of clothes. I'll show you. First thing is, we got this bag. This is from Swiss Gear. As you can see, I've put my umbrella in already. So we got this bag. I really like it. The favorite thing, my favorite thing is that they have a special pocket where you can keep your sunglasses or reading glasses. It's hardened, so it will not break. There will be no scratches, nothing. And it has a anti-theft pocket here. You know, I mean, it's a good bag. You can see what all was there. I tried to record the most of it in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, please go ahead and watch it. I'll add the link of it in the description box below. And then I got a jacket, like they call it a vest. I got this for myself. And the best part is it's reversible. You can wear it both ways. So this is one side, the nice furry thing, and the other side is like this. And we got this for Piyush. It's from Fila. I really like it. It's a little nice warm sweatshirt, and this was for $20. I think it was a pretty good price for such a good sweatshirt. And we got this for him. This is Puma. So it has this detailing on the arm, like a gray stripe on it. It looks very smart, very, very smart and trendy. So we got this, and this is for $30, which I think again is a good price. So I think finally that's about it, guys. The bill was huge. I have missed out on so many prices of so many things because I don't remember exactly how much they costed. It's there in the bill, but I also feel I feel weird, you know, telling prices of everything. But if you want to know, let me know in the comment section, and from the next time onwards I will make sure that I include prices of each and everything that I buy, so you get a fair idea of, you know, how much you need to spend for these kind of things in Canada, or you know, what are the total expenses in Canada. This is not basically the necessity, but these have this particular haul had many different things. I thought I'll sit down and speak to you guys. There is so much work to do. I'm sorry. I'm looking at you know, the stuff which is there on the table after I showed you everything. There's one thing that I missed, guys. I'll show you right away. So we got this also. It has 50 Tetra packs, small packs like this, and this is organic juice. I think it will be very good for Riyansh, so I got these. So that has 3 different flavors. One is orange, the other one is watermelon and apple, and I think the third one is cherry and raspberry. So Riyansh is fond of juices. I won't lie, I'm fond of juices too, so I thought organic will be the best, and it has very less sugar, so I got this. It's a healthier option. Guys, मैं आप लोगों को एक बहुत अच्छा चीज़ दिखाना भूल गई जो मेरा फेवरेट है वो है ये. कितना सुंदर कलर है ना, mint green and grey, and these are actually like normal cups. $17.99, and this is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and it has a built-in coaster. So वो हम देखेंगे बाद में क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक खोला नहीं है, but I just wanted to show you guys. Anyways, guys, this was all about it. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Please let me know if you like such videos. I will make more of them. And I also went to an Indian store, you know, bought a few things. If you want to know, let me know. I will make a separate video for that. It's not a very big it's not a haul. I can't call it a haul, but I just got a few things. So I think that's about it. And I have few friends who've been requesting me to make a video on how well, you know, a vegetarian can survive in Canada. So watch this space for more. I am going to put up you know, I'm going to upload that video pretty soon, so you can probably watch it and see how a vegetarian can survive in Canada. Is it easy or difficult? You will know that in my next video. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It was lovely talking to you. You have a wonderful day. Until we meet again. Bye bye. Dishwasher से dish but other चीजें आदि